Are you eating the duck's face? What? Are you chewing the duck's beak? What are you doing? Aaron, did you even take a nap at all? No? You didn't nap at all, Aaron?
You saying hi to the ducky? Give me kisses? Give the ducky kisses?
Aaron, what's the sound a doggy makes? No? Are you trying to eat his goggles? Are you trying to eat the baseball bat?
Yeah, okay. You ready? Here, grab the bat. Grab the bat. You ready? Show mommy. Yeah.
What are you doing? Do you want the mushroom?
There's nothing in there. Empty box.
That's your new toy.
Wait a minute. What's this?
Is that a bear?
There you go. Inside.
Good job. Good job. You want to close the box?
Help Daddy close it. You close it?
Close, open, close. Dada? Yeah? Can you open it? Good job. Yeah. You want Daddy to help you take it out? Can you get it?
There you go.
Good boy. You got it. Yeah. You put it back in? You getting frustrated? What's that?
Thank you.
Cardboard?
Fold it.
It's a little bit harder to open, but you can put your finger in there.
There you go.
Yeah?
There you go. Pull. Nice.
Yeah, good job, Aaron. You can do it. Be patient. Put your hand inside. You frustrated? You want mommy? Yeah.